Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have this platform called Teambook and this is the best project resource management solution. Before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to simply get your extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards. Now, talking about Teambook and its features, you can see we have this calendar type of section in here, and this is basically to manage all of the activities that are going on. So now we can even add users to upload their own data. We can create different type of projects, measure the performance, personal settings and organization settings. Everything is totally customizable. So if you check out this public holiday section, you can add your stuff in here. Now in the planning section on the top menu bar, you can see we have this calendar and we can totally schedule each and everything in here. So it is quite similar to Google Calendar, but the thing is it has a lot of features as well. So you can even have your team scheduling, display your weekly schedule, synchronize your planning to your calendar, personal settings, and get assistance, and much more. So if you head over to the activities or actuals, these are going to be your schedules that you are going to be entering your time sheets, let's say personal settings and all that stuff. So definitely something that you should try out. And yeah, if you are still unsure about its integrity and what it has to offer, you can see Teambook is a reliable and easy to use solution. Teambook has been effective and easy to use employee scheduling solution. I'm also impressed by the reliability of Teambook, and I don't dislike Teambook at all. So much more as well. You can head over to the link in the description to access your Teambook account, also get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards. So thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.